Normandy, a region known for its dramatic coastlines, charming medieval towns, and powerful history. In this video, I'm sharing with you my top 5 places you absolutely have to visit in Normandy. So, let's explore the unexplored. Let's begin with Etretat, truly one of the most spectacular places in France. Its white cliffs and dramatic natural arches are breathtaking, and the views from the coastal trails are unforgettable. Whether you prefer a scenic hike or a quiet moment by the sea, Etretat is an absolute must-see. I'll also have a more detailed video on Etretat soon, with tips on the best viewpoints, the ideal time to visit, and great places to eat. So be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Just a short drive from Etretat is Le Havre, the largest and most modern city in the region. It's a total contrast to the typical medieval vibe of Normandy. After being almost completely destroyed in World War II, the city was rebuilt by architect Auguste Perret in a bold modernist style. Today it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a great place to explore a different and more urban side of Normandy. Next up is the capital city of Normandy, Rouen, a city that feels like stepping back in time. It's best known as the place where Joan of Arc was tried and executed, but there's a lot more to see here. From Gothic cathedrals to narrow streets lined with hull timbered houses, it's one of the most beautiful and atmospheric cities in the region. Of course, no trip to Normandy is complete without visiting Mont Saint-Michel. This fairytale-like abbey, whose origins date back to the 8th century, was expanded into its current Gothic form between the 11th and 16th centuries. To get to the top of the abbey, you need to go through its narrow winding streets that feel just like stepping back in time. As you can see, it can get very crowded, but in my opinion it's definitely worth visiting this place. You only need to see it once to understand why it's one of the most iconic landmarks in all of France. And finally, a 2-for-1, Bayeux and Arromanches. Bayeux is a lovely little town famous for the Bayeux Tapestry, which tells the story of William the Conqueror's invasion of England in 1066. Besides that, you will discover that Bayeux is a beautiful medieval town with surprises waiting around every corner. Then, just a short drive away is Arromanches, one of the key D-Day landing sites of World War II. Walking along the beach, you can still see the massive concrete remains of the artificial harbors built by the Allies, witnesses to the invasion that changed history. Everywhere you look, from the shoreline to the cliffs, there are reminders of the war, making Arromanches one of the most moving spots in Normandy. So, there you have it, 5 must-see places in Normandy that mix stunning nature, rich history and unforgettable views. Let me know in the comments which one you'd visit first. If you found this helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, don't forget to never stop exploring.